Hello everyone, my name is Anil. In this experiment, I am going to explain about compiling from the source in VirtualBox Linux system. To study and implement, the aim of this experiment is to study and implement the compiling from the source. In this, I am going to do 4 compiling sources. The first one is compiling the source from OpenTTD package. Basically, OpenTTD is a game. For this, we need to install Debian package. In the browser, in VirtualBox browser, first download OpenTTD file. Then, after downloading the file, in the terminal, move to downloads directory and type the command sudo space apt space install /OpenTTD Linux Ubuntu Bionic. This command will install the OpenTTD file. The output looks like this: reading packages list done, building dependency tree, following packages of unmet dependencies. After this, it will be compiled. The window will be like this: OpenTTD game. The next one is compiling the source from JFrog package. For this, we need to install Conan package using Debian package. Download the Debian package in the conan.io website in the VirtualBox browser, and then move to the downloads in the terminal. Then give the command sudo apt install /conan ubuntu, that file we downloaded. Then it will be get downloaded and it will be unpack and set. After that, we need to create a small package. I created mylib package, and then using Conan word, we need to save the file in the form of Python file using the command conan new, the directory name /any 0.1, and the file saved in the form of Python file. Then create a directory src and move to the src directory and create h.h file.cpp file and give some program in the 2 files. Then create cmake list empty file. Now we have to make the mylib file using cmake space /src/. The output look like this: C compiler identification, detecting C compiler ABI, generating done. Builds files have been written into my directory. The output will be a new Conan file was exported, and the folder will be displayed, and the revision will be displayed. Configuration details will also be displayed. Third one is compiling the source from GCC. First, I am going to check the version of GCC in this by giving the command gcc space -- version. It's GCC 9.3.0. Then I am giving the program printf open source lab experiment 3. The output will be open source lab experiment 3. In the fourth one, I am going to compile the source from any open source packages. I selected Ganache package using AppImage. In the VirtualBox browser, go download Ganache package. As it is AppImage package, we need to give the execute mode to this Ganache file. For that, we need to give the command sudo space chmod space a+x. X is the execution flowing on the Ganache file. / the Ganache file will be execute the file. The output will be like this: the Ganache home page. Thank you.